Hello everybody and welcome back to the Canary Islands vlog episode 9. This is the first day in the south part of Tenerife. So right now we have eaten breakfast and we are going to explore pretty soon some more stuff. So there's going to be a village probably that we're going to explore and some other stuff as well. So I hope it will be completely awesome. To a village where we're going to eat, but on this way we've seen some amazing views. The only downside though is it's hard to get a real grasp of it, but yeah, it's amazing. I mean, check this out. We've now finally arrived to eat some lunch in this village and I hope it's going to be really good. That was a really nice lunch. So now we're going to explore this village. Now this place is apparently some sort of volcanic bathing thing. So apparently the lava has formed these natural pools by the sea, which is pretty interesting. Now we are done with exploring this place, and yeah, so we're on our way home now and we're probably going to eat dinner pretty soon. I'm probably going to eat dinner at home while Eric and Mom will eat outside, so I'm probably going to edit last vlog and some other stuff like that. But yeah, it's going to be dope. So we are now at a restaurant called Mirador de Garacci and the Garachica, and the restaurant which we ate lunch at had the exact same name. So on TripAdvisor we saw that the restaurant we wanted to eat at had a really nice view, which this absolutely has. But we found the other one, which had absolutely no view at all. But this was what we wanted. So high up right now. I mean, check this out. You can see the clouds touch the ground. This is the reason why I love filmmaking. I love to just shoot like weird and strange and fantastic stuff. It just looks amazing. Everything. Alright, I'm now home again after a very long day, but we've seen a lot of cool stuff today. So I have already taken a shower, and soon Mom and Eric are going out for dinner. Then they will probably bring some dinner back to me, and then in the meanwhile I will probably edit some videos or watch a movie or something like that. So it's gonna be pretty dope. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to leave a like, and if you really loved it, then make sure to subscribe for more content in the future. But anyway, my name is Lebert, and I wish you a very good day. Thank you.